Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you using a shared computer and concerned about unauthorized access from other users? In this video, I will show you two ways on how you can protect your files and folders on your Windows PC. Let's go. To help keep your files and folders on your Windows PC secure, you can use its built-in encryption feature. To use it, right-click on the file or folder and select Properties from the panel menu. In the pop-up window, click the Advanced button below and check the box labeled Encrypt Contents to secure data. Once the file is locked, only the user who encrypted the file can access it when logged in. Other user accounts on your PC will not be able to open or view the encrypted file. Unfortunately, only Windows Pro and Enterprise users can take advantage of this encryption feature. If you're using the Home Edition, I recommend another alternative. To encrypt your files or folders for free, you can use the free and popular software 7-Zip. For your reference, click the tag in the upper right corner or find the link below to download the tool. On the download page, choose the version compatible with your Windows PC and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. After installation, click the Start button and look for the 7-Zip file manager listed to verify that it was installed successfully. To encrypt the file with 7-Zip, right-click on the folder and proceed to the Show More Options menu. Locate the 7-Zip option on the panel and select the Add to Archive submenu. On the 7-Zip configuration page, set the archive format to zip. Enter your password in the encryption section and make sure the encryption method is AES-256. You can also check Delete Files After Compression if you prefer to remove the files automatically after encryption. Then click the OK button to start the process. Once your file or folder is encrypted, you will not be able to open it normally on your computer. To access it, right-click on the archived file and go to the Show More Options window. Click the 7-Zip menu and this time choose Open Archive option from the submenu. Double-click the file and enter the password when prompted to access the contents. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.